Alright, sweetie. Seeing as you haven't seen what I spent all the money on, here's the video that you asked for. So here you go. This is Phoenix. The mast is currently not on. That is due to be put on in about a week and a half. She is dirty. She's been sitting here. The girl that had her hasn't been here in months or longer, but they did try to do a quick little wash. So this is the port side, and nothing that little waxing and cleaning and all that stuff can't fix. All right, so and you say I was hiding something. I'm hiding the dirt. So walking around the aft of the boat, we actually there's already a grill. Can't see how big it is. The green covered things that you'll see, there's 3 of them. They're all the winches. So back of the boat, okay. You have dinghy davits. You have the beginnings of a solar arch. That's where we're going to add our solar power to. Handrails to get out. This side actually has a ladder that drops down into the water to make it easier to get out. On the back is a hot and cold freshwater wash. So do you want to bathe yourself outside or wash the boat or anything along that line? Coming along the starboard side, a little glimpse of the cockpit here. There's the whole starboard side, and again, it's needs cleaning and washing and waxing, but that's all right. Still has the name. Bumpers everywhere. Coming out to the front of the boat, and trampoline. That's a seating area. We'll take a little walk up top side where the mast is supposed to be. Okay. You can tell it has been sitting for a while. This is all discolored. But all right, continuing on. Climbing up the back of the boat. Take a little look. Let me kick my shoes off. Yeah, so these green covered things, these are winches. Okay, these are the smaller ones in the back for the jib, and a larger one for the main. Now the yellow wire is the solar power. We have the roof, decking with removable plastic covers. Remember I was talking to you and the other guy had covered his shit up permanently. This was the smart way to do it. Foredeck. And here you need some cushions. And no, I will not bounce on a trampoline. This is actually a really big storage area, and got a hot water heater and all kinds of stuff in here. Goes down pretty deep. If you hear water running, that's because of the air conditioner. So, front of the boat. This side's the anchor locker. You see an anchor here. Quick look, anchor goes on, chain of road goes in there. Another storage locker. I said I wasn't going to show you all of them, but these things are surprisingly roomy and big. Spare anchor. Propane goes in there. Remember, we'll show you this one because it does not hold regular 20-pound tanks. It holds these small ones. This side. So, and then from the rear, we come into the cockpit. There we go. This will be, let me try to zoom out a little. Ook. Right, there you go, your side, or one of the sides that needs cushions and navigation, and this side was the driving side. There you go. And so this is where you and I will probably spend all of our time while we're underway. Obviously, these little things open up, they lead into the bedrooms to get fresh air. This is another Little wash down. There's a hose in here, fresh water for rinse and washing, which is pretty cool that they make all this really accessible. Your motor's actually down inside of these things, so that's easy. The door locks. More panels for fresh air. Main salon, and yes, I know it is dirty, as you remarked on one of the earlier pictures. Oh man, what a difference that air conditioning makes. But I mean, you get the general idea. The seats, the table folds out. She left all her stuff, so like the little caddy cart and all that, it stays with the boat. So coming down this side, this would be the nav side. This is the starboard side. So my control panel for all the electronics on the boat. This is her station thing she was building, not sure what yet. Got a drop leaf table and a seat on this side, and there's like little storage and access panels. This thing here is one of the things I do have to fix. Remember I told you there was going to be a couple, and it's not that big of a deal. A lip broke, but so now it doesn't sit flush, so I have to fix that. Not a big deal. You said you wanted to see the head, so here you go. This is the bathroom. And yes, it is as small as it looks. I mean, it's actually not that horribly small for a boat. You do have a medicine cabinet, electric, hot and cold water, technically. Although I believe, I don't know if the water is on a propane system, or I want to say it is. I think it is. Shower controls. So this is what you use to take a shower. So this is what's called a wet head. You will shower and poop all in the same room. This is the marine toilet. Yes, it's as small and exciting as it looks. Real simple. You do your duties, you flush. Here you go. Lighting and all. Oh, I got all the lights off. Never mind. So, yeah, like I said, not super exciting, but it serves a purpose. And then a shower drain. What else? Various cabinets. These are lockers, storage. This is, I guess, all her tools and equipment she left. This is one of the bedrooms. This is it's called a wet locker. So you hang raincoats and stuff in here because these holes allow the moisture to come out and dry your clothes. This is one of the bedrooms. And I'll do my customary hi babe, although I'm sweating my ass off. It's still 90. I should say it cooled down to 90, which is crazy. So I'll have to measure the beds for you. I want to say they're queen sized, not queen. What do you call it? Twin, maybe. So this side is, your storage here and there. There's different little places for storage, and I don't think there's any under the bed storage. You had asked about that. Oh, maybe there is, or maybe it's an access panel. It's not easy to get to. I'll have to get back to you on that one. And then up the stairs, cross over. Now this entire roof here, by the way, does open. It slides open. Let me show you that real fast. Go back outside. So that roof opens up to allow plenty more, one, headroom for people like me, and two, wow, a really nice breeze. I'm gonna have to stay outside more. All right, so now we're going down to the port side, and this is where your galley is. So I got a little 2-burner stove. Here, above it, there's a little oven, and then below it is a microwave, which you've said you really don't want to keep, so no big deal. Lots of small little storage cabinets, utensils and stuff. Small little sink. So I do need to clean the tanks thoroughly out. I guess this might have been a spice cabinet or something. I'm not sure. I do have the refrigerator plugged in, so I can get some food and beer in here tomorrow. This is electric only, unfortunately. But thermostat, right now in the boat it is 94 degrees. Yay, it's hot. I just turned the air conditioner on though when I got back. I don't know, I guess this is designed to be a cutting board or whatever, but she had cutting board stacked behind it to use instead. You keep fresh fruit and whatever in the little hammocks. What else? I think another locker. Oh no, this is a little cabinet for whatever. Then the other bedroom is back this way. I'm still hot and sweaty. And this one is currently full of stuff. All the old sails in here, the cushions for the cockpit, which are, you know, apparently 27 years old and have never been redone. But another bed. Yeah, more storage. You know, so hopefully we can fit all your stuff in here. Plus she left me her manuals and tools and various equipment. This is the top clearance to climb the mast. That's good and handy and all that. But I'm going to close that and get back in here because I'm pretty damn hot. So shit, this shit's in the way. I can't really move this. It's heavy. I'm gonna be dragging it out later. But the problem was that I had complained about was, you see under these seats all around this whole salon, that was all storage. Well, now the air conditioner takes most of it up. The air conditioner unit completely fills this side up, and then it's got tubing that runs all throughout under these seats to make the airflow to the different parts of the boat here in the main salon. So that's the part I was saying, you know, hey, if we're actually under sail, that's not a good thing. Not anything I'm particularly crazy about, but it's utterly fantastic when we're sitting at a marina. Anyway, all these windows, they do zipper out. That one is available. It's in one of the bedrooms. I saw it earlier. The instruments I have that go there, I actually have. What else? Come up here. Really, this is fuel access, more storage lockers. Like these, I think, are just full. It keeps extra fuel tanks and supplies. So there you go. I talked to one of the, it is a little propane grill. You can see the knob there. So I don't know what kind it is or if it matters. Probably, I don't know. I can't really take this thing off one-handed, but it feels like it's a magma. Looks like a small magma. Must be a knot in here that's not coming. Oh, here we go. Survey says. Yep, small magma. The old original round ones. Alright, I'll put that back on all together later. It's actually starting to get to be a nice little breeze. So this is our dock. I heard one of the friendliest docks in the entire marina. So this is dock 4. Backwards 4. The gate is normally locked. I had just left that ajar earlier. It's all sailboats. We're naked here without our mast. So, but I'll have that fixed soon. So anyway, little projects to take care of. I want to do some general interior cleaning because that should stay fairly clean while I'm gone. Exterior stuff, like we said, we'll probably wait till we come back. So here we go. Ha, it's me. I know I am. I've already had two showers today, and I'm probably gonna need a third when I go back to the hotel room. But I love you and I miss you, and this concludes my boat tour with you. I hope you're looking forward to, as I am, to seeing you here on it. Love you, babe.